So you may have just enabled Apple Intelligence and you're trying to figure out if you can go through and basically reduce the size of Apple Intelligence. Now, the short answer of this is not really. There's not really a way to go through and reduce just the Apple Intelligence size. There's only one thing you can do to basically do that, and that is by turning off Apple Intelligence. So if we go and click into iPhone storage right over here, if you go and scroll all the way down, you can see that hidden apps, iOS system data, all this stuff takes up so much space. But up here, Apple Intelligence, 6.83 gigabytes, which is crazy because I don't feel like it's giving you 6.83 gigabytes of like value in my personal opinion. I think I'd rather install like 2 or 3 massive games than install Apple Intelligence or keep it enabled. So there's not really a way to just disable it or remove it like that. So that is kind of unfortunate. I wish there was a way to do it. There's probably a more technical way to do that. If you want to go and just turn it off, you can always make your way back into your iPhone settings right here. Scroll down until you see Apple Intelligence, which is right there. Go and turn it on. And then what you want to do is you just want to toggle this very top option off. So that little green toggle right there, all you're going to want to do is just toggle this thing off, and that will probably end up fixing it for you. So that's pretty much that. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.